Hi, my name's Jennifer, and I am going to be starting my gastric bypass weight loss journey blog. Um, I am currently in the pre-op stages. Um, I've done the weight loss class, and I am now waiting for my appointment with the nutritionist on January 17th. I had my appointment with a sleep doctor, and I do have sleep apnea. On the scale, on the sleep scale, I am a 5. The cutoff is 4, so I do need the sleep machine. I'm waiting to pick that up and begin using that. So I just want to try out my first video, and I will post again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.